Welcome back everyone, Mariah here. It's going to be a very quick, very casual video. I'm basically making this video as I'm running out of the house. I wanted to tell you guys that I have officially sold off 30 of my Ethereum from my portfolio. And I did this for many reasons. If you watched my video yesterday, I gave a really in-depth explanation of what I was seeing in the Ethereum charts, comparing them back to 2017 and giving a very clear explanation as to why I sold off Ethereum. I typically don't sell off crypto all that often, and especially in large amounts like this. But honestly, I had a combination of basically looking at the charts plus my intuition, which I go off of my intuition a lot in this space. Most people wouldn't recommend that. I just had a lot of confidence selling off. I could be completely wrong in this decision, but as the way the charts are going, things are looking quite good. So here's the Ethereum chart. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the 5-minute time frame, because that was actually what really gave me the confidence to start selling off some Ethereum. So yesterday I had moved over Ethereum into the exchange to start selling off, and I was kind of keeping a close eye on it. And what really caught my eye was this big movement right up here, this massive move. This is the 5-minute chart, and then Ethereum started trading sideways. And what I was looking for was a point in time where there was a lot of volatility and a candle that looked basically like this. So the range in this 5-minute candle was actually between 2 and 2.5%. And so typically at the top of any, like a short-term top and a long-term top, whether it's the end of the cycle or mid-cycle, there's typically a lot of volatility at the top. If you look at Bitcoin back in 2017 when it hit $20,000, the week that it hit $20,000, it was at the longest period of time, a week. It might have even been a single day or two. It went from like 10,000 to 20,000. So the volatility is always massive when there's a near top. So I saw this as a sign here to potentially start getting out, to get out of Ethereum or to start selling off. I waited a little bit. The sideways trading here had me questioning, do we have the opportunity for like another leg up? But honestly, this right here is what really caught my eye when Ethereum made a lower high and did not go above the previous candle over here, and then obviously the lower low, and I started selling off. So what price did I sell at? I decided, because if you saw my video previously, I talked about different exchanges, I talked about the rates, and I chose to sell on Gemini, because I wanted to sell into GUSD, which is Gemini's stablecoin, because while I'm waiting to buy back Ethereum, I'm looking in maybe like the $3,000 range when as I'm waiting to buy back in, I want to be earning 0.05% on Gemini's stablecoin. So yeah, 8.05%. You can see right here, I now have $133,000 in GUSD earning 8% interest, which is great because that's going to cover my fees and be, a nice little way of earning some income as I'm waiting to jump back into Ethereum. So what price did I sell at? Let's go ahead and take a look at my completed orders here. You could see, let's see, today is the 3rd. You can see here that I sold off one Ethereum at $39.65, another one $39.59. I was kind of slowly unloading $39.72, $39.58, $39.68, $39.58, $39.37, $39.39, $39.42. Some of these were limits, some of these were markets. Market orders doesn't matter on Gemini. You're still paying 0.35%. $39.42, $39.18, $39.23. And then I accidentally made a mistake and I bought back 6 Ethereum. I was just like not paying attention. So I even made a rookie mistake. And I don't know, I'm not super familiar with Gemini. I'm really comfortable with Coinbase, because I actually haven't used it so much, but Gemini is actually new for me. So accidentally, like I said, bought back 6, and then I went ahead and sold off again, $39.16, $39.09. So you can see here that I would say the average sell-off price is probably about $39.25, I would say. I haven't done exactly the math yet to see my cost basis on that chunk of the sell-off, but you can see here Ethereum trending downwards on the 5-minute chart. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 1-hour chart. The 1-hour chart was also a big sign that I used. As soon as this red 2 started trading below the red 1, I was like, okay, it's time to go. And then I also anticipated this green moving average to cross over the red downwards, which was another bearish sign. So, we just got to kind of be patient here and see if Ethereum makes, I mean, it could still, in this hourly chart, it could still hold this level and not go below this candle and make a higher high. I mean, that is still possible, but I don't think it's super, super likely. So it was the lower level time frames that gave me the clarity to sell. This could be a really bad decision. We could literally see a $10,000 Ethereum next week, but I wanted to share with you exactly what I'm doing because that's something that I really care about, is being transparent. If you want to use Gemini and earn 10 free dollars in Bitcoin, make sure to check out my link down below that. I'm going to go off to a basketball game. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. Get out there, get off of your computer, get away from the charts, and just go, first of all, create a life that you love and create a portfolio that you love. So those are two things to focus on. That's all I have for you today. As always, go out there and create a portfolio that you love.